Morning. Kung mata mong iro, dako mata mong iro. Morning guys. And Happy New Year. And yeah, another task. So yeah, maybe later I'm going to wash that thing. So that is my typical life here with my dog. Ay. Oh, doggy. Are you hungry? Yan lang, wait lang ha. Just few minutes to wait, okay? Be patient. Okay. So, okay guys. So, my first task is there. I'm going to peeling this off one by one because there have too many lumpia out there, and yeah, I'm going to start to peel this off. So, yeah. And by the way, I'm going to fast forward all this thing because it takes a lot of time. So, yeah.
Parte na sila. Wala na sila mark. Di sila ang Pasko. Ano ba ito itin? Dagan may kaghanda akong Pasko. Gamay raman yun. Sila kaya sila namas ko sila kay abot man ilang parente kag US daw. Kung sila dala pa ulo eh. Kaya daga pa daw sila bitson bihili. Adyo. Kung daw sila dala. Parang nandiyan na Pasko, mga ito ng hatag ng globe. Hatag ng globe, pati clip chick, wala. Parang ipot na kami. Hindi hatag. Ay, bandel na lang itong clip chick. Wala, Jed. Kaila Jed nga, wala na Jed. Wala na Jed pa. Hatag. Resist na. May payag bago. Gubaon ng daan niya kay lain kay tanan. Balik niya akong naibalihanan na nabutangan ng mga stock. Butangan na lang ng mga kahoy. Nakuan. Mga gamit. Pero ang payag bago. Tambayanan dyan, nabutangan, pwede nabutangan sounds. Dito nabutang astro.
Waterproof na. Basa na.
Hindi na istambay si auntie. Hindi na dito sa Rizal, kaya sa mukha na siya. Bukan siya karon no? Away ron si Archie o si Kuan Prudencia. Ano sila? Kailangan pa na ako.
Ang chismis nila. Ito ulang panay.
Pati nilang kuan sa akong away sa cellphone daw. Man ko kay di man ko makakuan kay di naman mamigo ni Archie. Di na ako ma-open ang link. Dito basahan o. Di na ako ma-open ang kay black naman sa kuha. Di na ako na ma-open ang iyang kuan link.
Oh, wow. Hey guys, Luis Vlogging here, and welcome to my a daily life of Luis Vlogging. Ay, God. So there too much happening last night. So yeah, it's a very fun midnight, and yeah. And the most dummiest that I never to see at the front of the other vloggers out there is I cannot to say the YouTube, just like the name YouTube. So I forgot that line too. Line. So that I already that see in the crowd vloggers at the front is only in uh, uh, my name or Lois Vlogging only. So I will not to say whole of thing like please subscribe to my YouTube channel Lois Vlogging. So that is the wrong missing. So yeah. Forgot. So sayang. But it's alright. It's alright. But the good thing is I'm just saying the whole name. That means Louis Vlogging. So that's very important, I guess. So right now we have a not to be serious health. Just for little bit coughing, and thankfully I already taking some medicine. So I hope this coming New Year will be relieved or healed. So yeah. Oh. So yeah, that's it. I see the airplane. Ah, airplane. Wow. That is so big. Wow. Airplane. I don't have any experience with that. What is looks like if I'm going to aboard that thing. Yeah, I hope so. Maybe someday. So yeah, right now guys, I am still there. I'm still here always, and I don't have any kind of work or just like a part time or full time. So yeah, so that is looks like guys a daily life of Louis vlogging. Yeah, wasting my time, wasting everything, and I don't have any kind of job. So much better to me to find. I'm going to force myself to find a good job in this age. So by the way, I am 24 years old, but as you can see, yeah, very normal. But so yeah, so yeah, that's it.